Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning about a lady who survived three shipwrecks: the Olympus, the Titanic, and the Britannic. If you do not know this, don't worry, we'll cover that in this video. Before we start this video, make sure to subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss out any of our new videos. Let's start. So this lady's name was Violet Jessop. Okay, her mother was sick, so she needed to get a job and to earn money. Many people never hired her. Finally, she got a job at the Olympus ship. The Olympus is a very giant ship. So, she was supposed to clean out the decks and all the railings and everything. The Olympus was a giant ship made by White Star Line, which is a company which made all the three ships, which all sunk. So Olympus was there for 24 years until one incident where it sunk. I will tell you how the ship sunk. So Olympus was supposed to go from England to New York. So when it was going, there was another ship coming from the other side, and this ship's named Hawk. So the Hawk was not supposed to go in the exact line as the Olympus was heading, but it did somehow. And the Olympus captain tried to steer it out of the way, but they couldn't. The Hawk ship was specially designed to ram into other ships. And that's exactly what it did this time. It rammed into the Olympus and then it just broke the Olympus. Everybody started to panic except Violet Jessop. She did not even get scared and she was just, sweeping the floor. She was just cleaning the floor and the deck. Well, they somehow managed to get on the lifeboat. So did Violet. And everybody was safe. After this incident, Violet got a job at Titanic. They were offering a job at Titanic as a crew member. She didn't want to go on the Titanic, but her friends insisted. So she went on to the Titanic. Well, you all know the Titanic sunk by hitting an iceberg. This time it wasn't any happy thing. This time, it only lasted 4 days. On 10th July 1912, it was a nice day when the ship launched. But on the 4th day, July 14th, 1912, the ship started to sink. Violet heard the noise from her cabin and she headed out to the upper deck. And she saw that the ship was sinking. So she was instructing everybody to get on the lifeboat, as the lifeboat only carries women and children first, then is only the men and the other persons. Yes. Men. So a random lady came and then just gave a baby to Violet and told her that she needed to take care of the baby. Violet didn't let go of the baby until they were saved by the Carpathian. They were all going in this lifeboat when they reached the Carpathian. So when they were in the Carpathian, a lady came and then snatched the baby from Violet's hands and then she just left. Violet felt a little bit of strangeness because he didn't even say thank you for taking care of a baby. So we come to the next part here. The Britannic. The Britannic was built before the Titanic's first voyage and they started building in 1911 Britannic is a bit bigger than Titanic. Britannic's name was first Gigantic, but then they changed its name because they got the incidents. They remembered the incidents of the Titanic. The Titanic was an unbreakable ship, but it sunk in its first voyage, so they changed it to Britannic. But Britannic was a passenger ship until after a year. They changed it into a hospital ship transporting wounded soldiers in the World War One. So it is painted with hospital signs. So Britannic was leaving Southampton at that 1916. It is said that it crashed into a mine, an underwater mine, and then it started sinking and it sunk in like 30 minutes. The Britannic had large, powerful propellers which are going very fast. This time, Violet went on a safety boat, but the safety boats were pulled in the strong current of the propeller, and Violet jumped out of the safety boat just in time, so she would not get sucked into the giant propeller and get crushed. But there was a problem. She was getting pulled by the propellers too. But she hit her head hard on the ship's below part. Well, finally she got saved by her own curly hair. So she still was not scared, and she was been sailing till 1950. Yes, she was sailing until 1950. So that is the story of the woman who survived 3 giant shipwrecks. We're done with this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hoping to see you next time. We'll see you there. Bye.